you guys next time on
Mowers and blowers.
Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good evening. I'm doing a night video today, and I'll tell you in a minute why I'm doing it at night. I'm doing another product review on the weekend. It's Sunday today, but it's late Sunday. Got an email from a manufacturer in China that sells on Amazon, and they sent me this item today. I opened the box to make sure that's what it was, and sure enough, it is. Can you take a guess at what it is? Oh, well, you saw the thumbnail already. You know very well it's a spotlight, right? So this is like a stand or a handle that we can attach in a minute. A strap that you'd hanging around your neck. You're like, how big is this thing? It's not that big, but it could be useful to have these straps if you're out hiking or whatever. This is a USB power cord. And this is a regular power cord. So you can charge it either with your USB inputs or in the wall. So here it is. It's a handheld spotlight. Got some instructions here. 2 pages. So get out of here. We don't need instructions. Forget about it. It's a spotlight. What do you need instructions for, right? If you have half a brain, you can figure it out. Anyway, there it is right there. It's a handheld spotlight. I actually used to have one of these when I was younger. The kind that you just plug into your cigarette lighter and it would go on. It was super bright, but if you kept it on, the battery in your car would drain if you didn't have the engine running. So over here, you have a rubber grommet that hides the... I'm telling you, it's cold and I'm outside and it's dark. The plug into your wall as well as a USB input to charge this battery that's in here. It has 2 buttons on the trigger area, right? The first button... Okay, now I have to give you a warning. And the warning is, this has very powerful strobes. So if you or anybody in your family are prone to any seizures caused by strobe lights, look away or turn off this review. So that's my warning right there, okay? So the first button on the bottom is your spotlight. Oh, I know you're blind now. I know you are. Holy cow, my neighbor's gonna kill me. So that's the first one. You press it again for a little bit less powerful, like a dimmer mode, and then off. So once again, very bright, slightly bright, and off. Okay, here's the strobe stuff, okay? I'm warning you right now. The top button, 1 click, is just a regular side light where if you put it on this stand, you could see what you're doing, whatever, you know, pumping up your tires, you're stuck somewhere, and it's a light. Press it again, and it goes dimmer. So once again, high strength, dim, and off. I'm gonna push this top button for 2 seconds. And now you have a blue and red alternating pattern light. Almost like if you were like a volunteer firefighter or reserve police officer or something like that. You could put this actually on your dashboard and it would act like a, you know, hey, get out of my way, man. I got a fire to fight. You know what I mean? I'm going to shut off the lights now so we can see it at night. Okay, I wanted to find a different pattern if I pressed it 2 seconds, but if you just press it again, it'll stop. So again, look, you press it once, it's on, then light mode, then off, right? If you press it for 2 seconds, that goes into the blue and red alternating pattern design strobe. That's cool. That's it. Like I told you, you don't need instructions. Let me put the stand together. So I just put this handle on. You could affix it by turning this thing into a hole that's in there already. You could put it on the side like that, but a little off there, you know. And if you tighten it, you can press this button here and it swivels like this. That's kind of cool. And then if you try to turn it this way though, I don't know, seems a little weird. But then when you go like this, you could put it like that. See that? And when you have these strobes on, you can also, oh, I thought you could. Oh, yes, you could. Both can be on at the same time, but of course it'll drain your battery faster. So, I don't know. I don't think I would use the stand. All right, let me shut off the lights for you so we can see what it looks like at night. Okay, I've got the lights off. Are you ready? There we go. And here's a strobe. The other one. There we go. I'm walking up to the front of my driveway now where my cars are. I'm going to shut this off and show you Spotlight. That's my neighbors. Holy cow. Look how round the circle is, even far away. And the trees. Holy cow. That's tremendous, huh? Look, even far away, like a block away, how round that circle is. It's very strong. So you recall, I haven't mentioned the brand of this. There is no brand. There's no name to it, nor the company. All I know is it says gun type handheld searchlight, model Q9er53. That's all it says. No name, no brand. Nevertheless, I will leave a link in the description if you guys would like to get one for yourself. Or to keep it in your car in case you get lost. Or if you blow a tire somewhere and you're in the middle of nowhere and you can't see, this thing would really come in handy. You know what I mean? I probably just keep this in the trunk of my car, whatever. Charging time. It takes 6 to 10 hours of charging time, right? And once it is fully charged, it'll last, what does it say here? 8 to 16 hours on the side, if you had only the side on. And 8 to 16 hours on the front main searchlight, if you only had that on. I would say that if you had them on equally the same time, you have a combined 8 to 16 hours. So pretty good, especially if you have a blackout or something like that. You know, it'd be really handy to have that just sitting in your living room. At least you could see for 6 to 8 hours, you know what I mean? So that's very cool. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to get one. I'm happy to have it. I think it's cool. It's small, it's lightweight, it's ABS plastic and aluminum alloy. And it has a internal battery that you can charge. So no wires or anything like that other than these things. And as long as you charge it for 6 to 10 hours, man, this thing's good to go for a long time, you know what I mean? Very bright spotlight, and I like the warning lights that it has in case you broke down somewhere in a bad spot. Put that in the back of your car so nobody runs into you, you know, when you're flashing red and white. Also, it gets people's attention in case you're lost or something like that. Thanks a lot for sending it to me. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Hey, I'm Henry from Mowers and Blowers. As a YouTuber that deals with small engine equipment on a daily basis, I worry about the harmful effects of the 10% ethanol that's in your unleaded gas from your gas station. Here on the East Coast, as winter nears, I think about storing my summer lawn equipment for the winter. Ethanol absorbs moisture, and what it does is it could rust or corrode and clog up your jets in your carburetor. That's why I use Ethanol Safeguard with stabilizers from my friends over at Lucas Oil Products. Before you store your machines, a little bit of Lucas goes a long way. When you're ready to use your machines again, it fires right up! Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowers and blowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.